Today is the 4th of April 2021. This week, I came across so many good stocks that it was very difficult for me to make a choice. But here I am with my two favorite chart of this week. As I always say, this is not a recommendation, this is my own analysis, and I request you to speak to your financial advisor before you make any decision. My second favorite chart of this week is NMDC Limited. This is the weekly chart of NMDC Limited, and NMDC is a Navratna company and it is the largest producer of iron ore in India. Let's have a look at the history of this stock first. As you can see that this stock was in a downtrend and it made fresh lows over several years. But the reason why I have selected this stock today is that this stock was consolidating in this wedge for the past 8 years, and now we are looking at a breakout. Actually, the breakout happened in the month of February, but I was waiting for a confirmation. We had a pullback toward this wedge, and now it is heading higher. When we have a downward sloping wedge like this, the breakout often leads to reversal of the trend, and the perception towards the government companies is such that we always tend to ignore them because they have fallen over several years. But let me reestablish the fact that the time for the government companies is changing because the government is now focusing on disinvestment. If I show you the volume activity over here, big accumulation has taken place over the last several months, and the probable target on the stock could be at 200. I don't see any major hurdle before 200, and above that we can see the levels of 256. I have myself bought the stock at these lower levels. Now let's have a look at my favorite chart of this week. That is of Happiest Mind Technologies Limited. It is a small cap IT company, and this company was recently listed in the market. So we don't have a lot of data, but we have sufficient data over here. We are seeing a pole and flag pattern. The stock gave a sharp rally and it went sideways for several weeks. And now we are looking at a breakout out of this formation. So this was a pole, and this sideways range was the flag, and now it is breaking out of this range. If I have a look at the volume activity, you would say that this is not very convincing, and I agree with you. But this doesn't bother me because in the last week we had just 3 trading sessions. Monday was off due to Holi, Friday was off due to Good Friday, so the volume is limited because of that. If I take you to the daily chart, look at the kind of breakout that it has registered, and the volumes over here is quite satisfactory. When we have a pole and flag formation like this, we estimate the target by projecting this pole on the upside. I have estimated the target and it comes at somewhere around 800. As I said that this is a small cap IT company, and the company right now is in its growth phase. So we can expect huge growth from these levels. And this company has a major client base in every sector: automotive, education, hospitality, manufacturing, you name it. And IT sector, it is never out of the business. So when you have all these factors lining up, plus a wonderful chart structure like this, then it is like a cherry on the cake. I hope you like this video, and I would appreciate it if you leave your feedbacks in the comments below. Thank you.